Morning students, today we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 1.3 second problem. See, write the values of f at minus 4, 1, minus 2, 7, 0 if we have these 5 definitions. Use first definition if x value is less equal to minus 3 or less than minus 3. Use this definition if x lies between minus 3 to minus 2. And here, use according to condition you have to use the definition. Right? Solution. Here I am finding the function value at minus 4, f of minus 4. Now, before taking the definition, you have to observe where minus 4 lies. Is it lies between this interval? Yes. X value less than minus 3. Minus 4 is less than minus 3. So, we can use this definition. In this definition, in place of x, you have to substitute minus 4. So, minus, in place of x, I am substituting minus 4 plus 4. So, this is plus 4 will be 8. Okay, right. Next I am finding function value at 1. Before using the definition, again check where 1 lies. In this interval, no. In this interval, no. Here, no. It is 1 less quantity. 1 less than. Then only we have 1 less than, minus 2 greater than. So we cannot use this. Here 1 equal to. So we can use the definition. In this definition, I am substituting 1. 1 minus 1 square is 0. Okay. Next, I am finding f function value at minus 2. Minus 2 where it lies? See here. Minus 2 equal to. So I am using this definition. Minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2. So 4 plus 2. This is 6. Okay. Next, function value 7 at 7. 7 where it lies? In this interval, no, this interval, no, this is less than 7. So otherwise value is 0. So this is 0. Okay, function value is 0. Next, f of 0 at 0. At 0, 0 is less than minus 3, no. 0 lies between minus 3 to minus 2, no. Minus 2 to 1, yes. Minus 2 to 1, 0 exists in this interval. So I am substituting here. 0 square minus 0 will be 0. Right? These are the function values of function values at the given parts. Now, problem number 3. Third problem. Write the values. Write the values of f at minus 3, 5 to minus 1, 0 if function definition is f of x is x square plus x minus 5, x square plus 3x minus 2, x square minus 2. Right? Use this definition if x belongs to minus infinity to 0, open interval. And use second definition if x belongs to 3 to infinity. And use third definition if x belongs to 0 to 2. Fourth definition in other cases, otherwise. Right? This is the given question. Now I am going to solve this. Solution. I am finding function value at minus 3, f of minus 3. Where minus 3 exists? Is this interval? Yes, 0 to minus infinity means minus 3 exists in this interval. So I am using this definition. In the definition, in place of x, I am substituting minus 3. Minus 5. So what you will get? 9 minus 3 minus 5. This will be 1. Okay. Next, function value at 5. Now f of 5. Now before taking the definition, again check where 5 lies in which interval, this interval or this interval, 3 to infinity. So I am using this definition. In that definition I am substituting 5 in place of x. 5 square, 3 into 5 minus 2. 5 square is 25 plus 15 minus 2. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 minus 2, 38. Okay, next function value at 2, f of 2. 2 where it lies, in which interval? Is this? No. This one? No. 0 to 2? No. 2 not included. So it is x values if lies between 0 to 2, you can use this. So this case is not possible, so otherwise you can use this definition. In this definition, in place of x I am substituting 2. 2 square minus 3, that is 1. Okay. Next, function value at minus 1, f of minus 1. Minus 1 where it lies, first interval 0 to minus infinity. So I am substituting in place of x minus 1. Minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 5. 1 minus 1 minus 5. So this is minus 5. Solution is minus 5. Next, function value at 0, f of 0. 0 where it lies, minus infinity to 0. No, it is open interval, so you cannot take this. This one not possible, this one not possible, otherwise. So in this case, I am substituting 0 in place of x. 0 square minus 3 is minus 3. Okay, these are the function values at the given points. Now problem number 4. Fourth problem. State whether the following relations state whether following relations are functions or not, functions are not. If it is a function, check for 1 1 and ontoness. Check for 1 1ness, 1 1, 1 1ness and ontoness. If it is not a function, state y. If it is not a function, state y. So the given relations are, first one, if capital A is equal to ABC, capital A having 3 elements ABC, and the relation defined on A as A comma C, B comma C, C comma B. F is defined from A to A. Okay. Second question, if capital X having 3 elements X, Y, Z, and F is defined from capital X to X as it having the order pairs X comma Y, X comma Z, Z comma X. Okay, these are the relations only. Now we are going to check, are they functions or not. If they are functions, then we have to check 1 1ness, ontoness also, right? First one solution. Given F A comma C, B comma C, C comma B. F is defined from capital A to A. So I am using figures. I can conclude that is it function or not. So sorry, A to A. It is A to A, defined from A to A. A having ABC elements. Again here also ABC elements. Observe the first order pair, A related with C. Second order pair, B also related with C. From third order pair, C related with B. Now check, is this function? Yes, every element has unique image. Okay, it is a function. Clearly it is a function. Right? If it is a function, what he is asking? Check 1 1ness, ontoness. Is it 1 1? No, it is not 1 1. Why? Because Here different elements not having different images. Two different elements having same image. So not 1 1. Is it onto? Not onto. Why? Because A not having pre-image. Onto definition is what? Every codomain should have pre-images. But B having pre-image, C having pre-image, but A not having pre-image. So it is not onto. It is not 1 1. Not 1 1 and not onto. Not 1 1 and not onto. So he is asking the reason also, no? Why it is not on 1 1? Because different elements in different elements in domain, different elements in domain not having different images, not having different images. So this is the reason for not 1 1 and reason for not onto. And codomain element A not having pre-image, not having pre-image. This is the reason for not onto. Okay, right. Now second problem. In this second problem, given f equal to, what is given? X comma y first order पे, second order पे x comma z, third order पे z comma x. Okay, again I am using the diagram. X, it is defined from x to x having three elements x, y, z. Here also x, y, z. Now according to relation, x is related with y. Okay. X is related with z. Okay. Z is related with x. Now check. Is this function? No. Why? Because why it is not a function? Why? Because x having two images. What is the definition of function? Every domain element should have unique image. But here x having two images. So clearly it is not a function. Clearly it is not a function. Because domain element x having two images, so this is the reason to say it is not a function. Okay, right. Now next problem. Now problem number 5. Let capital A having 1 2 3 4 and capital B having A B C D as a elements. Give a function A to B. For each of the following. First question. Neither 1 1 nor onto. See, here only I am writing the solution. What is the first question? We have to construct a function from A to B such a way that it should not be 1 1 and it should not be onto also. So first of all I am using diagram method, then after we can use order pair method. Okay. Right. Here I am taking 1 2 3 4. Here the elements are A B C D. We should make a function. We are constructing a function which is not 1 1 nar onto. So I am using, okay, two different elements, one image. So automatically it is not 1 1 and like this, like this. See here, different elements not having different image, so it is not 1 1. Every codomain element not having pre-image, so it is not onto, but it is a function. Every element has unique image. So how we can write? That implies you can write f equal to. Now write order pair. 1 related with b, 1 comma b. 2 related with 2 comma b. 3 related with c, 3 comma c. 4 related with c, 4 comma c. This is the function which is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay, I constructed a function, new function. Okay, this is first problem. Now go to second problem. Second problem, not 1 to 1 but onto. Not 1 1, not 1 1 but onto. We have to construct a new function from a to b such a way that it should not be 1 1 but onto. Right? Now again I am taking a as domain, b as codomain. 1 2 3 4. A, B, C, D. Okay, it should not be 1 1. So, two different elements having images but onto. Right? Is it possible? Let me check. Suppose I should not get 1 1. No? So, different elements we have to take one image. Two different elements you have to relate with one element only. Then only it will be 1 1. Suppose I am taking 3 to B, 4 to C. Next, what about D? Can we relate with D? Why? Because we need onto. No, onto means every codomain element we should relate with pre-image. But A is related already. It is related with two elements. B is related with 3. C is related with 4. D we cannot relate with any one element. If you relate with any one element having two images, so it will not be function. So it will affect the definition of function. Now is it possible by the diagram? Can you get every codomain element as a pre-image? If you take A equal to 1, B2 related to C related 3, D related 4, then it becomes a 1 1. So is it possible? No. So it is not possible. We cannot construct a function from A to B which is 1 1 but onto, which is not 1 1 but onto. Right? So therefore it is not possible, right? It is not possible. It is not possible to construct. It is not possible to make a function. Make a function from A to B. As not 1 1, not 1 1 but onto. So this is not possible. Second one not possible for these two sets. Now third one. Let us check for third one. What is third one? 1 to 1 but not onto. 1 1 but not onto. 1 1 but not onto. Not onto. Right. Now again I am using the diagram. Then only we can easily understand how to construct. 1 2 3 4. A, B, C, D. Right. I need 1 1. That means different elements should have different images. So B should not relate with B. C. 4 related with D. Now check. It is 1 1. Is it onto? Not onto. Yes. Onto it is. But what we need? We need not onto but 1 1. Now 1 1 means you should take different elements, different images. 4 different elements we are having in the domain. That means 4 different images needed in B. 4 different elements already in B we have 4 elements. If you relate 4 elements from domain to codomain, it becomes onto automatically. So now is it possible? Only 1 1 but not onto. Not possible. Again it is not possible. So don't draw the diagram. Just for explanation I drawn here. It is not possible. It is not possible to make a function from A to B. from A to B, such as 1 1 but not onto. Okay, it is also not possible. Now problem number 4, fourth problem. 1 to 1 and onto, 1 1 and onto both. That means bijection. He is asking bijection. So let me construct A, this is B. 1 2 3 4, A B C D. First it should be 1 1. That means different elements we should relate with different elements. Okay, 1 1. Now check onto every codominant element having pre-image. So it is onto 1 1 and 2. So clearly you can write F as 1 related with A, 2 related with B, 3 related with C, 4 related with D. Clearly it is bijection. Bijection means both 1 1 and 1. Okay, right. Now problem number 6. Sixth problem. Find the domain. Find the domain of 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x. 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x. See how to find domain. For what values of x it should not be 0. If it is 0, denominator is 0, 1 by 0 not defined, right? So solution, see how I am solving. Given function f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x. It is not defined. It is not defined if 1 minus 2 sin x is equal to 0. If it is 0, it is not defined. Okay, I am sending 1 at right hand side. Minus 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. Minus cancel. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So sin x is 1 by 2. X is what? Pi by, for what value of theta it is 1 by 2, 30. So pi by 6. Theta equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 and 2 pi by 6 also 1 by 2. 2 pi by 6 means 360 plus theta. First quadrant again sin pi by 6, pi by 6. And 90 minus pi by 6, 90 plus pi by 6, not 20, 180 minus pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6, which is lies in second quadrant sin positive. So sin of pi minus pi by 6, again sin pi by 6, and next 3 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, 4 pi plus pi by 6, sorry, 2 pi plus pi by 6, 3 pi plus 5 by 6, 3 pi plus pi by 6, so on 4 pi pi by 6. All for all these theta values sin will be 1 by 2, and pi minus pi by 6 3 pi minus pi by 6 not possible. Pi minus pi by 6 got sin x equal to pi by 2. Here x equal to, see, x equal to pi by 6 then 1 by 2. X equal to pi by 6 then 1 by 2. Pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 lies in second quadrant. So sin of pi minus pi by 6 also 1 by 2. Next to 2 pi plus pi by 6. 2 pi means 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta is also first quadrant. So you will get 1 by 2. Next to 3 pi minus pi by 6, which is second quadrant. Again it is pi by 6. So on like this. So many values you will get. So how to write for this? You can write x values if n pi plus minus 1 power n pi by 6. See here, if you take 1 pi minus pi by 6, you will get this. If you substitute n equal to 2, 2 pi minus 1 power 2 is plus, so 2 pi plus pi by 6, you will get this. That means here n belongs to z, right? So how we can write domain of function, domain of f will be is r minus, from real numbers I am subtracting these values, n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z. This is the domain. So from the real numbers I am subtracting all these values. Why? Because at these points sign will be 1 by 2. If it is sign is 1 by 2, then function is not defined. So from the domain means all real numbers. From the real numbers, these values are affecting the function. So that's why I am subtracting all that values. Okay. Now next problem number 7. Find the largest, problem number 7. Find the largest domain of f of x is equal to root of 4 minus x square by root of x square minus 9. Now see here, this function is defined if 4 minus x square. Solution: given function is defined if x 4 minus x square greater than or equal 0 and x square minus 9 greater than 0. Why I am not taking equal to 0? If it is 0, something by 0 not defined. So from this I am taking minus common, you will get x square minus 4 less than or equal 0. Here by splitting this, you will get x plus 3, x minus 3 greater than 0. Again by splitting this, x plus 2, x minus 2 are the factors less than or equal 0. Okay, I got two conditions now. Now what are the roots? Plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. I will keep on number line. These roots I am keeping on number line, right? Minus 3, minus 2, plus 2, plus 3. What is the function? 4 minus x square by x square minus 9. Right. And these two conditions will satisfy, in which interval, which values will satisfy these two conditions, both conditions at a time. Suppose I am taking mid value here, minus 2 to 2, I am taking 0. Substitute 0, 4 minus 0, okay, greater than. 0 minus 9, is it greater than? No. So this not possible. In between minus 2 to plus 2, one element is enough to check. So this interval is not possible, minus 2 to plus 2. At n points, at 2 I am checking. 2, 4, 0, okay. 2, 4, minus 9, greater than 0? No. So at n points also, we should not take. Right? Next, in between minus 2 to minus 3. Suppose I am taking minus 2 to minus 3, minus 2.5. Substitute minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 is greater than 4 actually. Minus 2.5 whole square greater than 4. This is 4, negative value greater than 4. So you cannot get positive value. So we should not take this in this part also. Suppose I am taking here 2.5. 2.5 again negative quantity. So we should not take this. At end points, suppose I am taking 3, 9, 3, 9, not possible. Minus 3. Minus 3, 9, negative, not possible. Minus 3, possible. So at end points also not possible. At right hand side, suppose I am taking 4, 4, 16, 4, 16, minus 4, not possible. So everywhere we cannot get, everywhere we are not getting any value. So this function having, we cannot take any interval as a domain. So domain is null set. Why? Because no values are satisfying both the conditions. If you take left hand side of minus 3, in between minus 2 to minus 3 and minus 2 to plus 2, anywhere you can take any value, that values are not satisfying these two conditions. That means there are no real values satisfying both the conditions. So what is the domain? Domain is null set. So you write here no real value satisfying above condition, above both conditions. Therefore domain is null set. Okay, right.